don't turn it off, and you will see like the actual church on the left side. I'll move past this. You can see the top.
Yeah.
So let's read it all.
Like,
It's 10th century.
yeah, once it was
You can go this way.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Take it off the cat.
Oh, you just look. Wait, come on. I don't want you to die. Wait until you see the inside, like, of this yard.
Oh, I can't
You
wait.
can see, like, this is like a battling ground, right? This walls. They used to have guns and stuff, out, and the enemy could not easily get in. As I say, it was completed in 10th century. And you can see the
Amazing walls too.
direct link, right, between the Jvari
Yes, I can see
monastery and
it.
here.
Yeah.
So you could really communicate through air, like visibility, with fire, with
When the enemies
sound,
came.
yeah,
Yeah.
with bells ringing. And also, like, there is a very popular and famous like a book about building, like how they built this cathedral. It's
Famous
called
book? Yeah. What's
yeah,
it?
there's a book. It's called Master's Right Hand, and its story goes that it was very rare to complete this type of buildings then in old centuries, and like the guy that built it, like the main architect, he got his right hand cut off so that he would not build anything like this ever again, like this great.
His right hand, you said.
Yeah.
Wow. That's crazy.
And then this is a very popular place
Yeah,
for couples
I'm
to
sure.
come
Yes.
and to get married. Oh, look at this doggo. He's enjoying the sun. And also look at this territory.
Yes. Nice roads too. It's interesting.
Yeah.
Oh, and it's fruit tree. Yeah.
Pomegranate.
Oh, pomegranate. Okay.
You like pomegranate?
Oh, yes.
I
do.
love pomegranate.
Yeah.
I love myself some pomegranate. I love when I watch zombie hamsters eat pomegranate. They look so cute, like picking the parts of it. And when they get this red juice
They're
on
like
them,
weird.
that they actually look like they're zombie hamsters. Well, we know that they don't usually eat live things, but they just want to have this red juice on their faces. It looks like they're zombies. They're cute.
Wow.
This is a flea market. There's also one entrance here, but it's locked now, so we're gonna go to the
All right.
main entrance.
Sure.
Last time I was here, this was open. I don't know why. What is the reason? Also, what?
I'm still sorry. Almost done. Yeah.
What?
I was gonna turn it off in just a second.
No, it's
Thanks.
okay. You can take it.
Thanks.
Alright.
So are you gonna ask something?
No, I was gonna say that what makes this cathedral also very special is the colorways of its stone. And in that book, the author compares it to a lizard. Like, look, you can see like a greenish color.
Yeah.
But when you look at it from the far away, like for example from Chvari Monastery, you can really see that, you know, it has a very unique color on the outside.
It's a type of color, a very distinct color. Yeah.
Yeah, very distinct. Huh? Look at this dog, he's enjoying.
The sun. Oh, it's a nice sculpture too. Stone work.
Yeah, it's a model. We have arrived.